नमस्कार दोस्तों। 5 important changes in GST law effective from January 1, 2021. Listen very carefully. These are other changes. The first change in Schedule 2, transfer of business asset, whether or not with consideration. The term whether or not for consideration got omitted, deleted. A Schedule 2 is only having reference and being used for determining classification either as a supply of goods or supply of services. Whether or not for consideration got omitted, deleted, and rightly so. So para 4 of Schedule 2 has no reference whether or not for consideration. So transfer of business asset as given in para 4 can only be for classification either as a supply of goods or supply of services. Rightly so. And these changes are effective from July 1, 2017. First one. Come to the second change. Whenever you are moving an application for revocation, for cancellation of your registration, it must be moved within 30 days from the date of cancellation order. But if there is a delay and there is a reasonable ground for delay, it is condonable, and these powers are being given in the hands of commissioner and additional or joint commissioner for a period of 30 days each. So this can be condoned by the commissioner and additional commissioner or joint commissioner for a further period of 30 days by each laudable. So it can be condoned. Coming to the third, those who have taken voluntary registration but otherwise they are not liable for the registration under section 22 or 24, and they have taken voluntary registration but they are not in a position or they could not initiate the business. There was time limit for 1 year to continue and they cannot surrender or go for cancellation of registration. Now this provision is being done away with. So those who have taken voluntary registration and they are otherwise not liable for registration under section 22 or 24, they can move an application for surrender and cancellation of their registration. Under section 31, item number 4. Now this is enabling provision in the hands of government that they can specify for specified offences for the tax invoice to be raised in specified manner or within a specified time. This is enabling provision. This may be applicable for the invoice issued by e-commerce operator or banking sector. This is enabling provision. Otherwise, you know that the time limit which is being prescribed under section 31 subsection 2 of CGST Act is 30 days. Invoice to be issued, tax invoice to be issued either before or after, but within 30 days from the date of provision of services. In case of banking company, financial institution, NBFC, it is 45 days. So this is enabling provision within the law for specified services. Government may notify the manner and time in which tax invoice need to be issued. TDS certificate. No need of issuance of TDS certificate now by deductor to deductee, and there will not be late fees on that account. So this is again a good change, laudable change. So I've given you 5 important changes, other changes which is being notified by Finance Act 2020. Now these got notified from January 1, 2021. And for the Schedule 2, I have already said it is applicable retrospectively from July 1, 2017. So these were other changes which is made effective very recently. So this is the summarization of changes which we are looking into as effective from January 1, 2021. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Lot many changes. And we are going to capture other important judgment as well. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.